Hello everyone, this is Krushi Bandapatte from SSW COE. The this topic is generating codes from DAG. The first page serves as the anatomy of DAG and the goal. This page serves the entry point, visually defining directed cyclic graph and outlining the ultimate objective of the code generation process. The diagram displays a simple structural network of tasks labeled A, B, C, and D, connected by directional arrows that establish strict hierarchy without loops. The primary goal of highlighted this multidimensional dependency structure into a flat sequence oriented array or an executable block of code, because standard computer process instructions sequentially. This step ensures that the underlying system knows exactly which component to run first without violating structure and rules. Topology sorting. This section illustrates the mathematical engine behind the linearization process using the Khan's algorithm for topological storage. The diagram tracks the concept of in degrees. The number of incoming dependencies node has its steps through the logic. First, identify the node with a in degree of 0, adding into final execution sequence, and the virtual erasing is outgoing edges. As a result, the incoming dependency counts of subsequent nodes B and C drop to 0, allowing them to be systematically processed next. The final output is a perfectly ordered hazard-free execution sequence A, B, C, D. Optimization and generating code from DAG to binary. This page demonstrates how low-level compilers leverage DAGs to optimize and emit machine-readable instructions. It features an algebraic example where two separate variables and b rely on the duplicate calculation x into y through common expressions, eliminating CSE. The compiler restrictions these redundant math problems into unified DAG node. The multiplication only happens once. The final step shown in the terminal console in code emission, where this optimized graph is clearly mapped directly into hardware level assembly code using registers R1 and R2 etc. to store values efficiently. Workflow cloud scale execution. The final page shifts focus on modern data engineering, shown how high-level programmatic DAG defines are compiled into distributed cloud execution system like Apache Airflow or Kubeflow. This controller to safety automation enables a central controller to safety triggers a task pass data states between isolated worker containers and scale computing power across cloud instance according to the blueprint laid out by DAG. Thank you.